Plumbers just left for the night. These crazy guys just hand dug this trench. I really wanted to do trench drains so I could wash cars in the winter, but decided not to. But I'm going to do a toilet and a urinal so these guys can go pee without making a mess. So I'll have a toilet again in the corner, urinal in the middle, and a utility sink that drains for a water softener, water heater, and then there will be a floor drain. And then it runs under the floor, come out in the middle with a clean out in the driveway. And we still got to dig down to the connection.